For every backyard problem there is always a solution, and we're here to show you them. This concrete tile of this sidewalk has seen better days. The issue with this tile is that it has moved down and it's unsafe to leave it that way. So what we are doing to fix it up is to first drill 2 holes on the center and inject expanding foam. This is also called concrete leveling, and it's a very effective method in similar cases. It worked perfectly. We just fixed a sidewalk and we thought it would be a good idea to actually build one right now. No fancy materials and no complex process here. We've created these square borders, filled them with concrete, and now we're spraying water on them. Or, you could choose the traditional route of mixing concrete and using it to fill the border. This sidewalk is ready for walking. If your backyard lacks one, you can't go wrong with this. But hold on, because we are not done just yet. We are outlining these concrete sidewalk tiles on the ground with a jigsaw. We're removing just enough turf from the ground to perfectly fit the concrete tiles. Effective for enhancing its stability. Taking care of the aesthetics now. Whoever comes by your house will be so impressed by your sidewalk, that's for sure. All right. And to restore the look of your small concrete stairs, and we've found a solution. Let's make these stairs look brand new, shall we? Following the application of a gypsum layer on the stairs surface, we're placing thick concrete on top. We're using a trowel to spread the concrete and maintain a level surface. Remember guys, the closer we get to perfect leveling, the better the outcome. Also, a wooden block might come very handy when it comes to identify spots that are not uniform. The stairs look more than ready for the next step. Once again we're using concrete, but this time it'll be thinner because we want the finish to be as smooth as it can get. Just wait for the final result. Ta-da! The restoration is done and it looks wonderful.